There we go. Oh, came with directions.
Got some stickers there.
Okay guys, this is the pipe we just got in the mail a couple days ago. MBRP, $863 delivered. I'm gonna unwrap it here. Looks pretty good. Cross got the directions there, so we're gonna take you step by step through this actually. So there
Looks
you go.
like good quality.
Yep. It's all got a stainless steel brush finish. As you see here, the tips here. This will be easy access back in to when we want to change the packing in the pipe. So it's a nice finish. Spark arresters, yep. A lot of places they don't want you to ride if you don't have them because it catch trails on fire and stuff like that. That's right. Yeah.
It looks quality.
That's a little bit bigger, right?
Oh yeah. Well, it should sound nice.
Should. Okay, let's take this other stuff off here. Did come with directions, you guys, so that's pretty cool. And this is a AT9522TT is what they call this guy. Oh, here. Cross look at showing you all your maintenance on your spark arrestor. Cool.
Nice polished up.
It is. Okay, let's get at it.
Start firing with the main things here.
Supposed to be 5-6 pounds lighter, this pipe, and give you anywhere from 4 to 5 extra horsepower lower torque in the bottom end, it says. So
Now, do you have to tune the RZR with this exhaust system?
no, you don't. If you get the whole pipe system right to the intake, yeah, then we want to do a fuel system on it and stuff. So this is a non-tuned pipe. MBRP, they do dyno testing on it. So on all the stock ones, just to enhance it, so you can just bolt it on. So
Yeah, so it's a simple bolt-on, plug-and-play sort of exhaust.
yeah,
Adds a few horsepower and better sound.
Yeah, lightweight and some good sound.
Loudest thing we own. The tractor. Definitely custom.
Yep. Okay.
Okay, so the
Okay.
shield comes off.
There we go. Heat shield. That's a little bit of weight right
Ease
there.
off, right? Ease off. Spring here. Okay, one spring off.
One spring. That away.
Two springs off.
That's it. Yep, you want to take your sensor out first here. Go.
Spring there.
And just to tell everybody too, we did spray some WD on these bolts and stuff the night before, just so they come out easy.
Okay, so with this exhaust, they also sent us a banner for the shop, a bunch of stickers, like hard decal stickers. In the box, you guys saw the 2 extra stickers, and they sent 2 lanyards as well. So Martin Barkey, I believe I'm pronouncing that right. Martin Barkey is what MB stands for, and then Racing Performance.
How's the donut looking there? It's not burnt out. Let's have a look. No. All good. There we go. want a good seal there. Get the spring pull. Oh yeah, sure.
Look, that was easy.
Doesn't that clean it up, guys?
Yeah.
That
Looks so nice.
Back in the old bolts.
That went in fairly easy. No complaints so far, yeah.
Super easy to install so far.
Yep. Okay, so that was about the only thing that we've had to really just make sure that they're all covered up. Ooh. Hey?
Pretty close actually.
Yeah.
But I don't want it to burn the wire either.
No.
Undo the clip there.
Yep. We'll just undo this one. So now you want to make sure now that when you're tightening this, you're not turning the wires, because that's all you'll need is to break it. There we go. Okay, again, you don't want to tighten this too much, guys. I've seen people strip them before. They just, it's just get it tight and it's just a little snug. All right, so we'll reroute this stuff back. They got a clamp here that the Polaris puts in on here, and you can put your zip ties through, and it's just into the frame. Hey, which is a good idea as far as zip ties go. There we go.
Hey, got her.
Yeah, there you go.
Bam!
Okay. So I don't think that took us any longer. We have one more zip tie to put on up in here. Yeah. And I don't think that took longer than, honestly, start to finish, probably from unwrapping it, maybe 20 minutes.
Yeah, that was easy.
Yeah. And you know what? Wow, does that look nice? Yeah, just make sure you check all your stuff that you put on. Good. And like I said, you don't gotta hammer stuff, because it just strips and breaks. It's nice and tight. There you go. Perfect. Okay, so the only thing that we ran into putting this together was the only thing that didn't fit properly was the sensor here. So we had to cut the zip ties, unhook it from here, and just not even reroute it. Just give it a little bit more length to it, and there you go. That's pretty impressive, you guys. Like, that is fast. And you know what? And you don't need any specialty tools here. That's like that's
set.
You need 9/16, a 17 for this. Not even a spring tool. You could put that on with a pair of pliers. So that's I've never put on an easier pipe in my life, and I put on a few pipes. So that's wow. mile an hour. It's about 50 mile an hour. I say, boy. I say, boy.
That's good.
Hey?
That is good.